What does it take to move from idea to impact? From brand new challenges to deliverable solutions? What attitudes, capabilities, players? It's a matter of asking the right questions. It's a matter of curiosity. When approaching a new product, time is a crucial factor to get the desired molecule. Flash chromatography is a purification technique suitable for isolation of the desired molecule originated through synthesis workup or through fermentation downstream. Thanks to a chromatographic method development, it is possible to select the desired compound from the starting mixture in a fast and effective way. Flash chromatography was effectively designed and industrialized for the purification of a lipid component adopted for lipid nanoparticles. Lipid nanoparticles are an upcoming pharmaceutical drug delivery technology with increasing applications. They have played a crucial role in fighting COVID-19 since they were suitable for vaccines and were adopted by many companies, including Pfizer, allowing the endocytosis of mRNA and cellular response.
Rozzano has gained a unique set of capabilities in flash chromatography. The team proficiently designed, industrialized and delivered the first batch in less than 6 months at the beginning of 2021. The end-to-end development was successfully applied into the purification of a lipid for nanoparticles. And now the assets and the skills are ready to be exploited for other production. It was thrilling to deliver results together with our people and our customers. And we are really proud to have been there.
Industrial chromatography can deploy multiple features involving different stationary phases and solvent compositions, making it flexible and suitable for different productions. The exciting challenge of bringing the production from laboratory to industrial chromatography was won by Rozzano. 2 fully new suites were installed, equipped, and qualified, including authorities' submission. The site has now capacity to deliver product in GMP from grams to tons in a timely manner.
We partner with the customer and the authorities to meet all the requirements and the qualification timeline. We supported the client from a quality and regulatory perspective, ensuring right first time of the submission. Passion were waiting for us and we couldn't fail them.
Rozzano is now a center of excellence for flash chromatography with a fully automatized production line. The new line, parallel to the existing one, is the highest standard in the market.
The production flow is centralized, fully monitored and equipped with a near-infrared detection system, allowing a full real-time control of chromatography process with a technology 4.0.
With 2 brand new operating departments and fully dedicated QC laboratory, the site has now the expertise and the assets to serve at best flash chromatography, including lipids.
We have interiorized the ability to bring a molecule from paper to customer. Our teams of R&D operations, engineering, supply chain, quality and project management are skilled in translating customer needs into a deliverable product. Thanks to Lipid production, we fulfilled our mission from curiosity to cure, and we are willing to partner, helping new customers to make the world a healthier place.